We are at Devon self-storage. Oh wow, this thing's big. Hefty elevator, what's the capacity? 7,000. Oh, it's an automatic, nice. Automatic elevator, up to 5. Probably late 80s, early 90s automatic. Floor indicator is totally burnt out, but the bell works, so you can still kind of tell where you are. Going down now. That works. This is a big ass elevator. Like, damn, this thing's huge. That doesn't work. Let's see the certificate. 7,000 pound capacity. Wait, I'm pretty sure this is Devon. Why did I say Devon? Oh, it is Devon. Anyway, that's it. You can tell this used to be a freight. But, oh, wait, look. You can see the old call station. Nice. Anyway, I bet it used to be a trim and... Anyway, that's it.